Fix KB5060999 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This tool checks for common update problems and attempts to resolve them automatically. It can reset stuck services or repair update-related components. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Check disk space and clean up system files. Insufficient storage or leftover files from older updates can interfere with new installations. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update components. Sometimes, update files or services become corrupted or stuck. Manually resetting them can restore normal function. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Install the update manually. If the update doesn't install automatically, you can get around problems with the automated update service by downloading and installing it manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Fix 5. Fix corrupted system files and repair Windows image. To repair corrupted files, run commands via an elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.